Welcome. It's wonderful to be in nature. It's so healing. Hello, I am Katie Christie of Soul Feast Katie, and I'm a holistic nutritionist and healer with a background in psychology. I really love to feel as good as possible and support you as well in feeling as good as you possibly can, because life is a lot more enjoyable when you feel good. Why am I so passionate about this work is because I actually went through a stage in my life when I really didn't feel good. I had some really serious health issues, and I was, kind of desperate to do whatever I could to get energy and actually feel good again and heal myself. And I learned a lot in that journey, and I can make it a lot more simplified and easy and fun for you rather than, I don't want anyone to go through what I did. So that's why I'm here. I went through that to learn what I needed, and now I share it with you a lot more joyfully for you. What I learned in my journey was that you need to make it fun so that you want to do it. Otherwise you may stress yourself out and be too strict and rigid, and then not be in the state where you can receive the health and healing. So yes, I have the knowledge and education, and I make it fun for you. If this resonates and you need some support to guide you in the journey and make it simple and fun and delicious and get tools and recipes and everything that you need to stay healthy and vibrant for your life and your family, definitely reach out and we can connect and find the best package that works for you at this time. I look forward to connecting and supporting you with your health and healing. Thank you.